You will need to submit a semester request each semester that you are planning to utilize your accommodations. To submit a semester request, first navigate to the Accommodation tab, then click Semester Request. On this page, you'll be able to see any previous semester requests that you may have, as well as filter on different semesters. To create a new semester request, click Add New. At the top of the page, you will see a list of the accommodations you've been approved for. Select the current semester from the drop-down. You then have the option to either submit all of your accommodations for all of your courses or review the renewal to only submit certain accommodations for certain courses. Keep in mind that any instructors associated with the courses will receive notification of your accommodations unless you unselect that accommodation from that course. To review the renewal, click the Review the Renewal button. From here, you'll see a list of all of your accommodations. If you would like to not select a course to connect to your accommodation, unselect it from the list below. Once you're finished with your selection, scroll to the bottom and click Submit. Once you've submitted your semester request, staff on your campus will process your semester request and send your accommodation letter to you as well as your instructors to view and accommodate. You will receive a separate email at that time prompting you to sign in.